Welcome to the Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you how to delete your Instagram account in the new update. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. This new update to delete your account is very easy. There is no need to go to your help center. So let's go to the video. First, you have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. Then click on the three line at the top right. And now you see the setting option. Click on it and then click on the account center at the first and scroll it down and show you that the personal detail. Click on it and now click on the account ownership and control, and in this step click on the deactivate and delete. So select the account which you want to delete. Let us select one of my them. So then click on the delete account and then click on continue. So click on continue to proceed this process. Now it is asked that if you want to, that why you want to delete this account, we may able to help. So select one of them according to which you want to delete, then click on continue and continue to proceed your this process. And they ask that you permanently want to delete your account. Before you delete your account, you do one of them, that is to deactivate your account only, or go to your go to the logs, download info, whatever. So our target is to delete your account, so we will click on the continue. Once you click on continue, it will move you to the next step. In this step they are asking for you to, if you are sure to continue or delete your account, so type your password. So I am not I don't want to delete my account, so I will leave in this step. If you want to delete, enter your password and your account will be deleted from here. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.